Well, hello guys, Super Mario Friends here, and today, I came to check the chickens today, and I found this baby chicken today. She was born today. She might be born like yesterday, like probably yesterday because today I opened the chickens. I didn't even know they hatched today, and yeah. Only one chicken was born. Hopefully tomorrow or probably tonight we'll get some more. We'll get some more. Look, she's just going under. She's a really cute chicken. I don't know. I don't know if it's a hen or a male. Hopefully it's a hen. So she can lay beautiful eggs. Oh, she's showing her how to eat. She kind of pokes me a lot whenever I'm trying to grab her baby chicken. And I have another hen under here. I don't know if you guys can see. But she might have babies. Probably today, probably next week. We're not sure. But this one's the special one. It's so beautiful. So yeah. Alright, you guys want to see how I'm trying to grab a chicken? Hold on. Oh, she's mad. So I'm not sure, I'm not abusing her. Hold on. Oh, she's showing her how to eat. I hear another one too. This is our new place. Yeah. Here's the other roosters. Here's the rooster big boy up there. If we have more baby chickens hatched, like this one or her, I'll let you guys know on the next video. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.